Have you ever wondered how your diet could be influencing your gut microbiota and overall health? This question is not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, diet has a significant role in shaping the microbiota in our gut, which in turn plays a crucial role in our health. Recent research has been diving into the complex relationship between what we eat, our gut microbiota, and our overall well-being. One such study, which we'll be exploring today, sought to understand the impact of a low-fat vegan diet on the gut microbiota. The objective was not only to examine the effect on gut microbiota but also to scrutinize its association with weight, body composition, and insulin resistance in overweight adults. The study's findings have the potential to significantly contribute to our understanding of diet, gut health, and human well-being. So, let's dive deeper into the study and see what the researchers found out. A total of 168 participants, both men and women, were part of this study. They were divided into two groups. One followed a low-fat vegan diet while the other served as a control group. This experiment spanned 16 weeks, and all participants provided samples for gut microbiome analysis using Ubiome Explorer trademark kits. A series of measurements were taken, including body composition using dual-energy X-ray absorptiometry and insulin sensitivity with the predicted clamp-derived insulin sensitivity index from a standard meal test. The results were quite intriguing. The vegan group saw a significant decrease in body weight, mainly due to a reduction in fat mass and visceral fat. Notably, their insulin sensitivity also improved. It appears that a low-fat vegan diet not only aids in weight and fat loss, but also enhances insulin sensitivity, thereby potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. The study also revealed some interesting changes in the gut microbiota. Now let's talk about the changes in the gut microbiota and what they mean for overweight adults. This study found an increase in the relative abundance of a gut bacterium called Faecalibacterium prausnitzii in the vegan group. Interestingly, this increase was negatively correlated with changes in weight, fat mass, and visceral fat. In other words, the more of this bacterium, the greater the weight loss and reduction in fat. Additionally, the study observed a decrease in another bacterium, Bacteroides fragilis, in all participants. However, the decrease was less in the vegan group. This smaller reduction correlated with greater weight loss and increased insulin sensitivity. These findings suggest that a low-fat vegan diet can influence the gut microbiota in ways that promote weight loss and improve insulin response. This is a significant insight as it points to the potential of diet in managing weight and improving metabolic health. In conclusion, a low-fat vegan diet can induce significant changes in gut microbiota, which can influence weight, body composition, and insulin sensitivity in overweight adults. This suggests a potential use for this diet in clinical practice.